Welcome to Church Central Cloud. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure your dashboard, your system for online giving. In this, you will learn how your church can start taking um, offering, tithe, seed, special donation, and pledges through the platform online. There are three ways to take online giving. One is through the mobile payment system. So if your country does take mobile payment, like in Kenya, M-Pesa, um, MTN, and all that through the mobile phone services, so you can use this. The second one is through PayPal, which is here, and you can also use the Visa card, Mastercard, Express card, all kinds of card payment globally. So this is available and very easy to use. So what will happen is when your members want to give online, the first thing they need to do is to select the kind of payment they want to give. If it is tithe, they click this with offering. They click this if it is seed, if it is special donation, they click that. Okay, and this is one-time giving. Yeah, so this is tithe giving once, offering given once, seed given once. Yeah, and then here they select the amount they want to give, and this amount you can change it. Yeah, you can configure this initial amount to be higher. I will show you later how to do that. But this is something that you can change. Okay, and then they can enter the amount. So assuming the person wants to give, say, 1,000 cedis. Yeah, in this case, yeah. So that is 1,000, and then the person clicks that, and then it will take you to where you have to make payment, or this or that. Okay, so you click that, then click pay. Yeah, and that takes the person through the process of payment. Okay, so let me go through that again. Select give. Yeah, select the kind of giving: tithe, offering, seed, donation. Put in the amount you want to give, select the method you want to give with, and then click pay. Okay, and that should be it. Now for uh, auto giving, which means the person want to set up recurring giving to the church. The person can use this system here. So just select how frequent you want to give, the monthly or quarterly or annually. Select the kind of giving that person wants to give. People can actually set up their tithe payment to be deducted monthly, which is easier. Yeah, and then also put the amount that they want to be given here, and then select through the process, and the system does do that. The third one is the project. Here you need to select. You need to configure the project that you are running. So you're assuming you have a building project, and the amount and the project details will be here. Then the members can select or put the amount they want to give. Here you can configure the kind of giving, the amount that you want people to give for the project. And then people can now select the payment method, either by card, PayPal, or by mobile payments, and then click pay. That will take them through the process. Now, the other thing I want to show you is how to configure your payment settings. Yeah, so you need to configure your finance payment settings, so which is through here, through your payment. So here is already enabled, but you can see your bank transfer. You can configure bank payment here. So assuming you want to put your bank details so that people who don't want to do transfer can easily make payment through the bank system. So that is what the members will see in the member service app. Okay. And you can also configure the kind of giving you want to take in your church. So if you want to take tithe, offering, seed. So these ones are default configuration. You can add other categories by yourself. Yeah. Click name, put the name, the code of the giving and description. Once you're done, you just create, yeah, and then it will save it for you. Okay. So let's look at the other things you can do with respect um, to your giving. You can see your giving record here. So here you can see the giving record, the total amount that has come in, how many people that have given, the category of the giving. Here you see the tithe, the offering, the seed. Here you see the record. Yeah, so you see the record based on that. You can filter if you just want to see only tithe giving. So tithe for the last 7 days, tithe for the last 30 days. Yeah, if you want to see offering, yeah, you take that. If you want to see seed giving, yeah, so that gives, so you can filter the kind of giving data that you want to see. If you want to check the recurring giving, people that are giving in a recurring way have set up to give every month in the system. So that is where you see. So here you have this name. So this would show you the name of the person who have set up to give recurring giving. Now here is a payment link, assuming someone does not is not a member of your church but he wants to give. You can send a link like this to the person on the account. The person can easily make payment. Now let's show you where you can set up the default. So the default is something you can set up here. So you still have 25, 50, 100, 250. So you can decide to change this number. So let me show you again. Here you see the 25, 50, 100, and 250. So those numbers are coming from here. So you can decide to change these numbers by yourself. So any amount that you want to be the default, you can put it in here. Okay, and then here you can just configure the given options. Okay, right. I hope this helps you to start taking your offering, your tithes, your donation online through the system, and every amount that is given will be recorded automatically here on the system, and then you could see that. And if you want to see better analysis of your giving, you can go to report and analysis. Yeah, so there you see your giving, and then you can see a much more breakdown in terms of the Sundays. So this is Sunday, January 11, 18, 23rd. So all the days that giving has come in. So you can see total amount, average amount, and you can see whether your giving is increasing or reducing. So you can do that. And if you have multiple branches, you can select which branch that you want to check the giving on. So assume you want to see the giving on Calvary Home, select that. So Calvary Home doesn't have a giving record. If you want to check Throne of Grace, so it doesn't have. So the main church, yeah. So that gives you that. Okay. Thank you for using Church Central Cloud. Uh, I hope this tutorial helps you to start using the platform for your online giving. If you have any question at all, do send us a request here. So you have get support here. Just click this, get support, put in your subject, select the category of question you have, select the priority, put in your question here, send it to us, and the admin will pick it up and then get back to you. You can also get help through the chatbot here. This bottom right have a chatbot that gives very live questions. So just ask any question you have, and then it would give you a very good answers, and you can chat with it real time. If you see this button, it means that the customer service is someone is available to speak to you and you can use this to speak to someone. The other way you can also get going is to use the tutorial, yeah, videos. So if you click that button, it brings you to tutorial video page where you can go through the videos. Okay. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.